what's going on, guys? So here we are at Sabine's. We opened some presents. She has some late presents from some family members. For your birthday? Was it for your birthday?
Yeah. Some were for my birthday, but some are not for my birthday.
No, it's not her birthday. So her birthday, yes, was last month.
I did a 5 birthday.
Yeah, we ain't got 5 birthdays. But she got the presents late, so we're gonna open these up and then
show you the elf.
Yes, we have surprise too.
When present is fallen.
Alright, so you wanna see? Let's show that. What is it? What is it?
Frozen markers.
Frozen markers? You can see? Oh, that's pretty cool.
Frozen cards.
Frozen cards.
I have a book about princesses. Frozen cup. Painting.
What is it? You want a shovel?
Reading so I can draw.
Yeah.
And a card.
What's that? A puzzle. It looks like a puzzle.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Let's read the card first, okay?
I just don't know how to read.
I'll read it for you. We're working on that, huh? It says, Happy birthday. And it's frozen. It's Elsa and Anna, huh? Pretty cool.
I know how to open.
Can you open it for me?
It says something on the other side.
Alright, it says, who's brave and strong, who's lots of fun, and likes adventure too. That sounds like Anna and Elsa, but it also sounds like you. It says, love, TT, Tiffany, Mikkel, and Tamia. That's your great auntie to Tiffany and Mikkel, your cousin Mikkel and Tamia. So we have to message them and say hello, and thank you. Okay?
Thank you.
Alright, cool. Okay, what's next?
This present. There's something hard. There's a box.
Box!
A thing! I always wanted it!
What is that?
I think so Chelsea and the dogs can play their own game.
That's pretty cool.
There's 2 more.
You got the Barbies. What's that? So you got a Disney princess. What was that? Socks. 10-day socks. Cool. And what was the Barbie?
Chelsea.
No, the other Barbie. We saw that one, yeah. That's Chelsea. And then what's the other one that you spit down?
I don't know.
Oh, it's the Disney princess Barbie.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And her always looks at a frog and her's always little.
The princess of the frog, huh?
I want to play with this right now.
You got anything else in there?
That's all.
Okay, so maybe we'll play this. That is from your cousin Serena. Say hey. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I think we have to set it up.
You have to set it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's Chelsea and the dogs. And they're playing sports.
Yeah, I think it's this.
Oh, you can see Chelsea and the dogs here.
It's soccer.
Yeah, they're doing soccer.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's her hair. They're doing a ponytail.
Ah.
Yeah. But it only has one hair type, like me, but I have 2 hair types.
Pretty cool.
And her only has 1, because that's so pretty.
Has a ponytail like you?
Yeah.
Oh no, you have a braid and she has a ponytail. Alright, cool. So you gotta put some of this stuff away. That is actually a notebook with a pen. So you can draw on it or write on it, and scribble and doodle and all that good stuff. There's more?
I'm just checking it.
Okay.
It's like fun. I just want to play with it on the ground.
Okay,
And get Chelsea and the dogs out.
what you got?
I got my new my Chelsea and dog Barbie set so they can play. So I can play.
Okay. Where's it? Right there. Oh. You want to bring it closer?
Yeah, but the gravity. So I'm saying it up because again. And this is where her signs up, but not the dogs. I didn't give the dogs a name.
Oh yeah?
Well, I'm gonna name the first one Lily.
Lily the dog?
Lily is the first dog.
Okay.
Lila.
Lily and Lila. That's good names for some dogs. Good job,
Daddy.
dogs.
I wanted you to play with me, so you have to play with me.
Great job.
Alright.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.